Hey, I'm Faye, and if you're a business owner, I have a question for you. Is your website actually helping you get clients, or is it just sitting there, outdated, hard to navigate, or not really reflecting what you do? Maybe you tried DIYing it, maybe you grabbed a quick template thinking it'd be easy to update, or maybe your cousin or that one friend who does websites offered to help, but 4 months later, you were still waiting, and when it was finally done, it was not what you were hoping for. Maybe you've been meaning to invest in a professional site for months, but every time you think about it, it feels overwhelming. Maybe you've been burned in the past by someone who wasn't actually professional, or maybe you simply just don't know where to start, so you keep pushing it off. I get it. You have a business to run, you're juggling clients, deadlines, marketing, operations, everything. But here's the thing. Your website should be your best employee, attracting the right clients, making it easy for people to book your services, working as your 24/7 digital salesman even when you're off the clock. And if it's not doing that, it's costing you money. That's where I come in. I design strategic, conversion focused websites for small business owners like you. Business owners who are done struggling with DIY or low quality services and are ready to show up online with confidence. When you work with me, you get a site that is mobile friendly and optimized for SEO, so more people can actually find you. Makes it easy for clients to book and contact you so you're not losing leads. Is easy for you to manage and update because you should need a developer for every change. And on top of that, you'll also have a site that reflects your brand's personality and professionalism, a site that actually helps grow your business, and a setup that makes your website an investment, not an expense. No more second guessing, no more endless revisions, just a website that works. So, if you're ready to stop stressing over your site and start seeing real results, let's make it happen. Visit constantcreates.com/website-design to learn more or book a call with me today. No more tech headaches, no DIY struggles, just a high performing strategic site that grows with your business. So, yeah, let's build something amazing together. Hopefully, we can talk soon.